Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if Facebook Marketplace is not working on your iPhone. So let's get started the video. So the first step is guys, make sure that you log out to your account and log in back again. Once you have done this, after this make sure that you have updated the app. So for that go to App Store and search for Facebook and see if there is any update available. So if there is any update available, make sure that you update the app. So after this guys, make sure that you have updated your iPhone to the latest version. For that go to setting, click on general, click on software update, and if there is any update available, make sure that you download and install that update on your iPhone. So once you have done this, so make sure that you live in the country where Facebook Marketplace is available, so you can change the language and region in your Facebook account. So if it's still not working, then the next step is make sure that you go to your Facebook ID and change the account age. So once you have done all this step and if it's still not working, then you need to reinstall the Facebook app. For that you can go to settings, click on general, click on iPhone storage, then scroll down, find the Facebook app, click on it, click on offload app, and then reinstall the app. So once the app is reinstalled on your iPhone, your Facebook Marketplace will be working. So hope you guys like this video, hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.